Furled and the right way up. Couple of the Red Devils stacking, high altitude. Tracking very wisely into wind. You can always go downwind, first chap just touching down on the drop zone. You can always go downwind easily, it's never quite so easy to go back up into wind. Whether we get a third stack or whether that's the cameraman just above the stack, I don't know. It's a colossal Union flag. Alas, I can't tell you who is which and who, on account they haven't told me. Union flag down, lovely touchdown. It's a bit of an interesting win for the lads. There's three together, holding on together, just into their lines. They will split very shortly. If you look up to your right, like one huge one of these sport canopies. Effectively, it's an aerofoil section, ram there, inflating it. Pull on your risers, left, right, or indeed if you pull together, you flare the canopy to come into land, just as you've just seen if you're down by the drop zone. Watch the three with the smoke. Very shortly they will split to individually get into position to land. They can certainly hear you when they're under canopy, so give them one big cheer. See, all turning into wind. You can go downwind if you like, you're going to run very, very quickly.